Hello, this is Nicolas, and this is my engineering sprint review for July 8th. Overall, a very interesting sprint. Um, we completed pretty much everything we set out to do, but time was really tight this time, very tight. I guess national holidays got in the way, and so between Zambian national holidays and US national holidays with the 4th of July, those two holidays really took a bite out of productivity. Um, but really we completed three main large stories revolving around the theme of the Artist in Residence program, which we hope will help um, get more weekly active users, more recurrent. So basically focusing on discussion, comments, and business profiles. Those were the main product stories, so to speak. The the other three items were basically host-based community. So now the the community is decided by the host name and not hard-coded. So it will allow us to actually move from one customer to a multi-tenancy, multi-customer model. Also, Google login will now allow everyone to log in, but as a visitor. And we studied the architectural design and structure for labels, at least on the backend side. In terms of my engineering dashboard, which would be the last time that I will present the dashboard, basically we completed about 21 stories in this past sprint, and our code coverage is fairly good. It's at 57.89 percent. So it's up from the previous one, from the previous sprint, which was at 56.88. It's not much, but it's still 1%. I'll take that. And our rollbar issues have dropped significantly. So we went from 187 issues to 37, and last week was 29. And this week so far, we only had 4 rollbar issues, as well as our merge requests per developers. Basically, where this sprint, we had about 6 merge requests per developer from between last week and this week. As so in terms of challenges, one of the issue is one of the was that we worked on command and discussions, and we realized fairly early on, but still some work had been done, that comment and discussions were so similar that we decided to bundle those two stories together so that we would kill two birds with one stone, and that's what we did, but it caused a little bit of rework. Nothing significant. We ended up having a better product as a result. Um, Also recruiting. So we finally selected and signed up with a PEO, pilot.co, and that will definitely allow us to bring more engineers much quicker. We also decided to open 2 to 3 full stack engineering position, and we already started interviewing with one very good potential candidate already. Um, and we do have a few candidates in the pipeline, so I hope to fill those positions fairly quickly. Um, one on a good note, I would like to welcome Saurabh, who's a senior Rails engineer and is based out of India. Saurabh actually joined us today. That today was his first day, and very happy and very excited. So welcome, Saurabh. Um, and that's it. Oh, coming sprints. So next sprint, we're moving to GitLab, and so I will be using the statistics and all the information based out of GitLab, which is uh, much more than the engineering dashboard I was using. Also, we will be working on mapping plots. So um, we're going to start with a small number of plots, but it will be on a map, and we will be hopefully we'll be able to display that on the website for Enquash's customers to see. And we're also starting to research end-to-end testing for certain critical flow, because testing is starting to take quite a bit of time. And so if we have um, end-to-end testing, I'm hoping to save quite a bit of testing time and basically increase productivity. Thank you very much, and see you next time.